What are we doing?
We are making a cabbage juice, and when I pour the cabbage juice into this, and then they will change colors.
But what are we trying to do? What are we going to have in the jars?
We are gonna have cabbage juice.
What else? We're going to have different things from around the house?
Yeah.
Like water and Windex?
Yeah, like water, baking soda.
And Windex?
Yeah.
And cleaning
We
stuff?
can use whatever we want.
And what is it going to do when we pour the cabbage juice in there?
Base. This is a base and
An acid.
acid and
A neutral.
a neutral.
Right. So the first thing we need to do is make cabbage water.
I mean cabbage juice.
Cabbage juice. Sorry.
First I'm going to put the cabbage leaves into the pot.
And we're using a little baby cabbage, right?
Yeah.
Is
See,
it
we
cute?
don't need that much red cabbage.
Right. It's a cute little baby cabbage.
Hey, go in.
Alright, so we got our pot of cabbage. We're going to take it, fill it full of water.
Dad, we can use whatever kind of water. But we need a plain water.
We can use whatever kind of water.
But we need plain water.
Is there more types of water than just plain water? Is there something different than that? What am I missing?
You're not missing anything. You're doing good.
Okay. We're going to take this big pot of cabbage and water and put it on the stove.
Oh no, I spilled some.
That's okay. And we're going to turn it on.
And then we need it to boil for 5 minutes.
Right. Alright, so now we have, what do we have here?
We have
What is it?
cabbage juice.
Cabbage juice. You want to drink some?
No.
You sure you don't drink any?
I'm sure I
I
don't.
bet it's healthy.
No.
Alright, so we're going to take this. We're going to very carefully carry it over here and pour it into this guy. Come here. And very carefully pour it in here. Ignore my dirty dishes. Let's drain all the juice out. We don't want the cabbage. Although I'm sure this cabbage tastes really good. Purple cabbage, red cabbage is good for you. It's healthy.
Grape cabbages.
Grape cabbage.
Daddy, we don't need all the cabbage poured in there.
Oh, it's going to be really hot. So be careful. Ready?
Daddy.
Here, let's hold the phone. And put the phone at the cabbage with your fingers.
You still need to put the cabbage in there, Daddy, remember?
Why do you need to put the cabbage in there?
Because that's what you're supposed to do, and I saw that you're supposed to do it on YouTube.
I thought we just needed the water, the juice.
We need the cabbage too.
We do?
Yes.
Alright, so we got everything ready. We have our juice. We have our kid. We have a bunch of cups. And we have a bunch of other stuff we're going to use to put in there. So we have some water, some cleaner, some Windex, some Goo Gone, some baking powder, and some, what's this one?
Salt.
Salt. You like salt, right?
Yes.
Alright, so the whole point of this is to use cabbage water, cabbage juice, to tell the difference between a base and an acid and a neutral. So, first we're going to do a little experiment. We're going to put cabbage juice in these two. Oh, this is nice and hot. Now,
Let me taste it.
don't taste it, it's too hot. Now we have two things we're going to use first. We have vinegar, and this little thing here, and we have clear laundry soap. There's some in there. It's there. So we're going to pour the vinegar in the one on the left, my left. Do it.
In here?
Pour it into that cup.
This one?
Yes, ma'am. I want to change colors.
It changed to pink!
It changed to pink.
I already knew it would change to pink because I saw from Ryan's toilet video that it would change pink. I
Vinegar.
already knew it would change pink.
Vinegar is a acid. So now we're going to take the other one. This is the laundry soap. We're going to pour it into the other glass.
3, 2, 1, pour. Is it changing colors? It's green.
We had to get a spoon to stir that up a little bit, but you can see it is kind of turning green.
It smells.
Smells like what?
It smells so yucky.
It smells yucky. Okay, just leave the spoon in there. Alright, so now we're going to get the other ones ready. So we're going to put some stuff in all the other glasses. Oh, so that one turned green, so that means that it's a base. And then the purple, just the juice by itself, that's a neutral. Okay, we're done with the experiments. We're going to turn colors.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to put a little bit of everything in each jar.
Yeah. But we have the salt and the baking powder, and then we have to mix them with water.
You do?
Yeah.
Keep going. It's in there, I promise. Tilt it up more. There you go. Keep going. There we go. A little more. All right. Move on. Move along.
Oh no.
That's okay. We can clean it up. Move along to other stuff. What are you doing? Are you eating the salt?
Next. And then I'm gonna add some spray.
That's Windex.
Tell me when it's good enough.
All right. So now we're gonna do.
Baking powder.
You put some baking powder in one of them. Wait. Oh, yep. So that's okay. So you can just pour some in there. There we go.
Dad, I told you that you have to mix the salt and the baking powder with water. So you need to add a little bit of water and then stir it up.
We'll get some water mixed in. We got some water sitting there ready. All right, so what are you going to do next? You want to do this? This is called Goo Gone.
That sounds a silly name.
It smells like orange. Smell it.
Ah.
Does it smell like an orange?
Yes.
Yeah, don't drink it. That'd be bad. Okay.
Hey, Daddy.
And what are you doing next? So we need the purple.
See, now I want the purple.
This is like a floor cleaner. That smells like lavender. Be careful with it.
I want to smell it. Daddy. I don't know what this smells like.
It smells like lavender.
Mm. Is there always stuff in here?
Yes.
Oh, I forgot. Put this to the side. That's a lot.
And the last one's just going to have just some plain water in it. That's right. Then we need to
But
put some...
first, let me add some to the baking powder and salt.
That's not baking powder. This one. You need this one and this one. That other one you were doing had Windex in it. A little bit more. There you go.
Now you need to have
Baking powder. Don't forget baking powder. Well, keep going. There we go. Then this last one over here by itself just gets water in it. Which
I know.
that probably won't do anything. I'll probably just turn colors.
Yeah, from a video. Yeah, from a video from mine's toy review, and then the water just turned to purple. So.
Alright, so the moment of truth. Pour it in there. Be careful. You're going to spill it. Do I need to put it in a smaller container for you?
Yeah, just put a little bit in here. Whoa!
It turned like blue? Bluish greenish?
Whoa!
It's like a blue-green color. It's like a weird, I don't even know.
Let me stir it up to make sure what color it is. I'm gonna try this.
All right, so we put it in a smaller thing to make it easier to pour. Keep going.
Tell me when to stop.
We got plenty of juice. Keep going. There you go. What do we got?
Stir it up to see what color.
What was that in there? Do you remember?
No.
That was the Windex.
Oh, it turned green.
It turned green.
Now let's try the baking powder and the water. Whoa!
I don't know what that's turning, like a purple cloudy. I don't even know.
Maybe that's called like purple.
Light purple?
Yeah.
And this
Now
is
I'm
the.
gonna try the.
Remember what this was?
No.
Goo-Gone. The
Oh.
stuff with a silly name, right?
Yeah.
Keep going. We got plenty of juice. What is that doing? Keep pouring.
It's like not even mixing.
It's not even mixing together. Oh my gosh.
I didn't know that the Goo-Gone doesn't even mix.
We were not expecting that to happen, were we? It didn't even
my
mix together.
goodness.
That's like another experiment. You know what that means?
What?
That means that the water is heavier than the Goo-Gone, so the water sinks to the bottom. You can stir it up as much as you want. It's going to separate. Stop stirring it and watch. See? If you look at it from the side, it's still
It looks
separating.
sparkly.
Then you made bubbles. But if you look at it, it's still separated.
Daddy,
What are we doing next?
I forgot what this is called.
It's like a floor cleaner.
Oh, I know now. I forgot.
And it's already purple. What's it gonna do?
Whoa!
It's turning. It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell on that, but it's turning like a greenish. Oh, this still looks purple. It looks purple here, but if you look at it, I see green. Does it look green to you?
Yes.
It looks green to me. It looks purple in the video though. That's weird. Maybe if you pour some more of that juice in there. Stop eating the salt.
Why?
Pour some more juice in there.
Here?
Yeah. I'm wondering if you pour. Keep going. I wonder if you pour more in there if it'll look green in the video. Keep going. We got plenty of juice. You're concentrating so hard. Ah!
It's turning purple on the top and green on the bottom.
You think so?
To me, it's purple on the top and green on the bottom.
Yeah, it's purple. All right, we got one more to do, and it's just water.
I know what color it will turn into. I know.
I bet it's gonna turn like bright orange or something.
Daddy, I know which color it will turn into.
Orange.
I knew it!
Oh, it's just what is it? It's just purple.
Yeah, since water's clear.
It's just purple. What was your favorite? I know what my favorite one was.
What?
Well, you tell me. You tell me yours first. What's your favorite looking one there?
This one. It looks really cool, and that's why I pick it.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah. What happens if we?
Oh, Daddy!
Let's pour one in there. Let's pour another one in there. Grab the salt. Grab the salt on the end, and pour it in there and see what happens.
All of it?
I don't know. Sure.
Oh no.
What? No, not that one. It's supposed to go in this one. Adele.
I forgot.
Pour it in there. Oh, that stuff still floats to the top, doesn't it? That was weird.
Oh, Daddy!
What?
Daddy, I wanted this so I can pour all of them in here and I can see what color they turn into.
Oh, it's just going to turn into purple. I don't even know. Yeah, there's not... That was the salt. There's not really anything left in there, is there? Be careful, it's going to splash it out.
What was this?
Baking powder?
Whoa!
Yeah, that didn't get mixed up very well. Oh, well.
Turned around.
Oh, and then my favorite, the Goo Gone.
And this one's my favorite.
It's my favorite, too.
Yeah. Oh, it turned like into a galaxy.
You can see the Goo Gone kind of floating around on top. Mmm.
I wanted to see these too. Whoa!
That really turned to purple, didn't it? We have all kinds of chemical reactions going on in there. What?
I'm gonna put the spoon in here.
And that nasty green, whatever that is. What do we got there?
I'm gonna mix it up.
Looks like we just got some kind of nasty... Well, it's kind of a bright purple, isn't it?
It's so pretty. There were else science experiments that we can do.
Well, we gotta finish this one first. What do we have there? Stop stirring. Let's see what it looks like.
Purple.
Purple! It's like a light purple.
Daddy, look.
And
This is the Goo Gone.
You think
The
so?
Goo Gone. Yeah, I think this is the Goo Gone.
You're so smart. It smells like Goo Gone, doesn't it? It smells like orange.
Ew!
Alright. Are we done?
Daddy, I want to see this too.
Well, just gonna pour the rest of that juice in there.
Yes.
Alright. Are we done?
Yes.
Yes.